This is 5th of January 2024. Market is about to open. We got 17 seconds. And let's see how we're gonna play this today. Just switch to yes. We're looking for structure. We had some data. Average hourly earning, non-farm payroll. Sorry, non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. Market reached this 702 level, which is here. It was that volume profile from 13th of December before we pushed off FMOC rate decision. We basically tagged it, bounce of it, and this could have been a bottom for today. We'll see. So market is open. Somewhere here. We'll switch to my NQ as well. And we'll see. What was the open? Open was here. All right. I think I'm gonna get a little bit of pullback. That's overnight low. That is overnight high. Wow. Beautiful push. Wow. Been a little bit too late for shorting that overnight high. This is quite strong push higher. Yes, has got some space to get to overnight high. pushing higher. ES is approaching overnight high, 1 point higher. All right, we got overnight high tagged.
Order filled.
Try Nasdaq now. Let's see. We're gonna get back down now. Based on ES. ES should turn around. ES should turn around here. Or very soon. Meaning that we should be able to get a nice pullback on Nasdaq as well. You can see 82 sold 8. Got some buyers here as well, but let's see if we can get a nice pullback here. We'll have to be very quick about it. Come on, drop now. What's that? Oh! We got more sellers, 18 contracts, 87 price. Should get a little bit of pullback here.
Order submitted.
Let's try it.
Order filled.
And come on, drop now. To see if crazy move down. Okay, so we are testing the open. Well, I need to see. I need to see what the market's gonna do now. Because we can bounce out that or bounce off this level, continue higher. We can bounce off this and continue higher. Or we can just continue to the bottom. So I'm gonna give another 15 minutes. I wanna see the first bracket. Another 20 minutes of that. And this is what I have been trading. Basically, I've been looking at where the ES is. So ES, once the ES got to overnight high, Nasdaq was quicker. Then we pushed to 2 days ago low. So that's the opportunity for longs to get out. The trapped longs from 2 days ago. This is what I added. I was a little bit late to add into my position. I knew the market's gonna turn around a little bit. I just can't push higher through this trap longs. So that's what I've been trading. That's the level. That's the level you want to have on your chart. Sorry. That's the level, these two levels. Yesterday's low, 2 days ago low, weekly low. You want to have these levels on your chart because you can trade off these levels. And we'll see now if market is. So we had sellers here. 82, 88. And the only thing is that the market is trading higher at the open. So the trend is up. On ES we have tested this 4,702. We are approaching on ES this 4,743, which was important. 41, the same as that's the breakout place from yesterday. We bounced off that once. We found some buyers here. We bounced off it, but at the end of the day we gave that level. We dropped. Overnight we dropped. Let's just switch to this. You can see this better. We dropped to this level, right? The first significant volume was on 13th of December. And this is why we're bouncing off it. We just bounced in the pre-market. And look at it move. 702, 740. That's like that's 40 points move. Huge. So I don't think we're just gonna continue on a 40 points move. But you never know. Some sort of consolidation. This is not like some sort of consolidation on ES should happen. Some sort of consolidation up here. Probably trading this range open. Maybe trying to push here. But we have trapped longs here from that day. This is Friday, Thursday. This is from Wednesday. trap longs. The POC is here. This is quite big volume here. 45. So market will be trying to get up here. Let's switch to NQ now. Same story. 512, 510. It's a big resistance. Trapped longs up here. So yeah, that's gonna be a challenge to get up there. I'm sitting on a 705 right now. I made 150 pre-market. That was a good short. $89, $71. I was like 18 points here. Yeah, obviously market went much lower, but I am scalping, so don't want to overstay my welcome if I'm sitting nicely in a good win. The market is trying second time. We are approaching the same level. Might try one more time here. But I want to see this a little bit higher this time. Like 490 would be nice. Come on. Maybe even higher. Right,
Order submitted.
Come on, didn't. Oh, God damn it. Did not. Try higher. Some buyers coming in. I should push a little bit higher. $500 would be a nice place as well. But we do have that trapped volume from yesterday, which is starting somewhere here. 504. They have 11 more minutes. Till the first bracket's gonna close. So we can just kind of stay up here. And then push through that volume at 3 o'clock. This is London time. London, UK. And okay. It's trying. Let's see. All right. Catch that idea. Just watching ES. ES got some space to push higher. Got a little bit more, like 1 point more.
Order filled.
Let me get in. And we'll see. If we drop down here. Nine more minutes on this bracket, so we should reverse down. At least just to grab that volume before we push higher, so that's pretty much what I want to be. Drop, grab this volume. I could go even higher, but that will be the place to get out from that shot. Because they like to grab the volume that they've built. Just retest if people still want to hold this. Eight more minutes on this bracket. Okay, 1 minute and 42 seconds on this candle. Maybe final test of the top. Yeah, he has touched the second for the second time. This 47.41. Let's see. Let's see how this candle will close. Should push to the bottom. Biden is talking something. It's never a good idea to trade when Biden is talking. All right. Okay. Now they have 5 more minutes on this. There we go. Come on, grab the volume. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You know you want this volume down there. There you go. Go and grab it. Go and grab it. Yeah, a few more points down. There we go. Oh shit. Not gonna.
Order filled.
Holding it. But they should go and grab this volume down here. Somewhere here. There you go. Yeah, so they have done what they needed to do. And now we can go up. They want to go up. But I'm not gonna bet on that. Because we really extended. I mean, Nasdaq is from 300 to 500. I mean, 334. $160 points. Without a pullback, really. We didn't have a. That was the only pullback we had. So, 3 more minutes. We should see. Yeah, the stop losses are pretty much here. I'm not gonna have stop losses up here as well. No. You see how they collected that volume. I don't think they have a reason to go lower than that. Because this volume has been already collected by that push down here. So they do have that volume from that candle. They have volume from this candle, even up here, and from this one and that one, especially from this one. That's a lot of volume up here. 6,000 contracts. 6,000 here. So okay. We have ISM services PMI in 7 seconds. Let's see how the market's going to react to this. All right, there you go. 50.6. All right. Downside in dollar, upside in stocks. Lovely push. Alright, I think so. ES just hit the weekly low again, which has been already taken. We are approaching this volume in here, volume up here, 510. That's the place. We have trapped longs from yesterday. We'll see if we're gonna push through that now. It is pushing. He is doing the same thing. I can actually see this better here. Volume from yesterday. Yes, and Q. Tick chart is strong. 800 approaching 800. Tick. What a crazy push. Yep. And Q touching Wednesday's low. He has already took it. Well, they'll try to sell up here. We have some sellers coming in now. Let's just give a little bit of tick chart 1000. I'm gonna be short on this. I have to be. Tick chart 1000. Let's see. Just don't want to overstay my welcome here. Because I'm buying, I'm selling into fucking rip. Yeah. I did overstay my welcome now. But they managed to sell for sure up there. I can see a lot of selling going on the time and sales. So I think I'm gonna get out the moment I'm break even. Come on. What did I say? I'm gonna get out. That's what I said. So get the fuck out. Fuck's sake. No, I'm definitely overstaying my welcome. God damn it. Give me that thing here. So I do not hesitate next time. Ay. What a stupid trade. Yeah, we have this volume here, which is holding. Yeah, that's not a good. That's a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Not too close. Because now we can push higher. Fuck.
Order filled.
No, I have to get out. Otherwise, I'm gonna end up. Pretty bad. Come on. Fuck. Yeah. I see some sellers at 50, so. Should go down. God damn it.
Target filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Alright. That was a really bad trade. I was in profit here. 7 points and I didn't take it. And I had to save myself with this. It's alright. Ended up minus 60. No, that's okay. Alright. But we see we have some sellers up here. ES just hit the value area high from yesterday. I mean, we're gonna have to have some sellers. There's no way this market can just continue up and up and up. So, I mean, it can, but not like. Alright. Give me a bit higher.
Order filled.
Might even grab this volume from down here. Okay. $1,392 contracts on that first candle. That's a decent candle. Yeah, they should go down to the red line. At least value area high from yesterday. Come on, just fucking go. Everybody's selling right now. Okay.
Order filled.
Take it. 1,110. Close it because sometimes it just does this, comes back, and then it's gonna do it on the second candle. But if you look at that, this volume hasn't been taken yet because we just got up here, we got down here, but we never pushed down here. So they like to take this volume. Like, see this candle, they took that volume. We had volume up here and here. Finally we had to go down to take it. So we will take that volume at some point. But we might push a little bit higher. Also, time is important. 3:15, we could get a peak and then try to go down. And definitely, I'm watching this volume from yesterday. Where was it? Here. So we already took that volume, and we are kind of trying to squeeze through that. And then we have a bit of volume here at 74. Or we can even drop a couple of lines to indicate where the top volume is. But I'm watching this as well on trading view, so and another way how I trade, I look at the tick chart. So if tick chart, this is 800, this is 1000, this is minus 800, this is minus 1000. The moment market gets to 800, 1000, it's almost a guarantee that it will reverse. Almost. I'm not saying it's 100%, but it is almost guaranteed. So so even trading, counter trading, like I'm doing right now, I can still make money. Obviously, I could go long, yeah. But who knew this is gonna push just like this? Who knew? And the funny thing is, this Friday, and this might be the top of the day. And by the end of the day, we might be here, somewhere here. So it's just excitement that everybody's like, yeah, let me buy. They're jumping on it. But that doesn't mean we're gonna go higher than that. We had some data, but I'm not sure this data is. Good enough to push this market high. Earnings are up. Non-farm employment change is the same. This is what they've been expecting. Well, actually, not. They have been expecting 168, and we got 216. Unemployment rate is 3.7. So, and they've been expecting 3.8. Factory orders 2.6. The economy is strong in USA. Look at that. Push to the red line, right? basically sweeping that volume. Might go even lower. There you go. So now we have overhanging supply, trap longs up here. And if you were buying this, you're gonna dump your longs right now. You're gonna be like, be in that long anymore. So yeah. I'm not sure if we're gonna. I think I'll wait for another push higher and see how the market behaves up here. And we have these two lines, that volume here and there, and that's the top of yesterday's high. I mean, like, what, you want to push through high just on the one continuous move? Probably not. Probably not. I'd like to buy this if we drop somewhere here. I'd like to buy that, but yeah, so I'm back. I don't think I'm gonna trade more unless I will see in 8 minutes push through this and collapse. Then I can get on the short side for the final trade. But I need to see this to go up here, push through the highs. Yes, it has to do the same thing. And if they sell up there somewhere here, 50, 570, 580, and turn back down, start to be weak somewhere here, then I'm gonna jump on the short, because then we can drop at least here, and perhaps even down there. But I need to see the weakness. First, I need to see that they taken it high. Meaning, they will push through the stops. We have a lot of stops up here, short stops. If they push through that, they will be able to sell whatever they collected right now, and that is, what is it, half of this candle, that's 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Yeah, that's like 40,000 contracts they can sell up here, because all of that volume has got a short side as well. So half of this is long, so it's 20,000 contracts and 20,000 shorts. That's what I want to see. I want to see market to push through that. But then not to have enough strength to continue. Start to come down, and then it will collapse. Why it will collapse? You see, they sold. They're not gonna be chasing the price up here. They will get down there. To take these longs again, you know, stronger longs. We'll try to get down here to collect everything one more time. Build up position over lunch, and maybe at the end of the day push. That's the plan. That's not my expectation, but that's what if I see that, I will trade that. If I don't see that, I'm not gonna trade that. If we take that high and we're gonna stay up here, we're gonna be still strong, and I will see volume building up. I'm not shorting that, so we can just continue. Five more minutes. 4 more minutes actually. Why didn't take that long? I was hoping for a drop somewhere here. So just basically stopped somewhere in between. They took that volume. They didn't take that volume. So I didn't like that. Three more minutes. Got a little bit of selling here. 37, 36, 41, 47. But as well some buying. 47, 8 contracts. Yeah, bigger boys, they will try to push this because they need to sell, and they want to sell into the short stop losses up here. So 3 more minutes, and we know. And we will know what they're gonna do. Tick chart is in balance. There's no edge right now to trade. Everything is in balance. Yeah, selling going on. A little bit of buying. This is Nasdaq. This is ES. Yeah. This is RTH. Notice Nasdaq got down to weekly low. This is weekly fair value gap. Beautiful bounce of that thing. Yes, as we talked before, got to this 4702. That was a blip. That was this volume from the 13th of December. That's the FMOC rate push. Basically, drop back into this. And this whole week of selling, that's probably the bottom. And we might continue up. A little bit of consolidation here. Today's Friday. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do now. This weather in London is killing me. Haven't seen the sun since November. Alright, okay, so we have stop losses up here now. That's exactly where we had that high volume node from yesterday. That's the high volume node. Push into this low volume node, 63.70, and we'll see what they're gonna do up here. Yes, it's buying a little bit. That's the 70. Yeah, let's see. They are ready to push. They want to buy that for that push. Nah, I'm okay for the day. It's like 1,100. It's enough. But they should push in. They should push. I'm not even sure if I'm going to take that short. That was a beautiful initial push, 1,392. And if I switch to ES, ES is going to have probably more than 3,000 on the same candle. It has to. Yeah, like 7,000. That's a beautiful. Yeah, that's a indication of strength and direction into the high, into the long side of the trade. Anything above 3,500, it's a really good. Like 3,500 here, 7,000 here. That's really big number. So, oh, there you go. We poked above that and already selling. The problem is that Yellen is speaking right now. Yellen says some surveys are beginning to show that Americans are more optimistic. Yellen says as well. Real wage increases mean Americans are getting ahead. Yeah. What we see now can be described as a soft landing, according to Yellen. It could be. Yeah. Yeah, it would be a nice trade here. ES has got still space, a lot of space to go up there. And Q is pushing. Q is pushing. So we are grinding through that volume we've been talking about. 60. Low volume node is at 570. But ES is not doing it. Market breadth is 2.79 in green. On NYSE and Nasdaq is only 1.02. That's not a lot. Nasdaq can switch to red in a second. Tick chart here. Right. 14 on the buy side. ES is lagging. So notice this is where ES is supposed to go. Nasdaq already took that high. ES hasn't. It's just hesitating. It's not pushing. I look at the shares. Tesla. Let's have a look on Apple. It's half an hour. All right, okay. We are getting there. Still buyers coming in. 64. Got some selling. Good. We might take that short. But the problem is the ESC is just not doing it. And that's interesting. Why? I would prefer if ES was exactly the same place as Nasdaq, meaning taking that high, because this is where the stop losses are. And because they are lagging behind Nasdaq, that means that once we get up there, Nasdaq's going to be up here. And if I short Nasdaq somewhere here, I'm going to be underwater. If they decide to continue higher now, Nasdaq will continue as well. So we hit some sellers, 65, quite decent seller, 20, 6, 4, 8, 10. That's one seller. What was that? 65. Here. Let's see if the seller's gonna come back now. He's gone. Don't see him. Look at that. I think if ES will synchronize with an NQ, NQ is gonna be up here by the time when ES is gonna take that level. Got some selling. What I said, short is if I see weakness, right? This is the weakness I was looking for. So if this candlestick comes back up here, I'm gonna jump on the short side. It has to come back here. Before it goes down there. And I don't like don't like where ES is. I really don't like this ES. So I'm not sure if I want to show this. Because I can really get trapped. If this pushes 61. It's gonna be interesting. Very interesting that ES is not interested to sell into, at least into here. I mean, yeah, just forget that top, like at least this volume up here. I mean, to be honest, unless they have sold into this very area high of yesterday, and this is why they are not interested to push higher. That's the very high of yesterday on NQ. We're coming to 4 p.m. and another 20 minutes. And that's the cutoff point for my trading. But I would like to take that shot. I'd like to take that shot. Yeah, the market is back, but ES is looking like they might go now. Look at this ES. Maybe they might made up the mind and they're gonna buy more to sell up here, meaning NQ is gonna end up at the double top, and they might sell into this volume up here. Let's see. So no selling here. I'm not selling that because of ES, only because of ES. That's why it's very important to watch ES when you trade Nasdaq. So you know where the overall market is. think we're gonna continue up. Because that pullback allowed them to grab this volume and that volume. We are holding and building volume up here. And yes, it's still sitting and trying to push higher. Should go long. But I'm not gonna do this, too high for me. At any point this thing can snap to the downside. And you don't want to ruin a good day. $1,100 is not a bad result. A little bit of trap longs decided to get out. But the market is strong. Well, they're gonna push through that. Might take them another 15 minutes. Then we're gonna have stop losses up here. And the S final will arrive there. Meaning they can push through that. And then we'll see what's gonna happen after that. One, two. Or is it one leg and there will be a second leg up here? We'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this and we'll come back when something happens. They swapped that liquidity up here. I'm coming back up here. Now I think they're ready to sell. I should be in the long. I should be in this long. Because this is where we're gonna go. Got 8 more minutes. And most likely I might just dip here a little bit. Then we're gonna go. Let's see. Yeah, so ES is preparing as well for a final assault on that 60 level. Five more minutes. A bit too early. Nasdaq is pushing too early. I think we're gonna go down now to grab this volume, to collect that volume. And then we should push. Four minutes and 25 seconds. 67.20 for contract buy. Yeah, that was a good place to go now. I was watching this and was like thinking, well, we might still get that. The question is, yeah, yes, it's very close. 62 points away, but we have 3 minutes and 26 seconds till this bracket will close. Big buyers. Sellers on the yes. 2 minutes. That's the volume to grab. Yeah, and they are grabbing it already. This volume. 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm not taking these trades because of this. I'm okay with it for the day. But that would have been a good trade from here, from there. Okay, 30 seconds. Yeah, so now on US we have stop losses up here and stop losses up there. No. There you go. Well, let's see what they're gonna do. Should sell into that. They should sell into this. US has to push through 760. So 3 points away. There we go. And Q is pushing already through that volume. Should trigger stop losses up here. There we go. That's 59. Yes, it's approaching that 60 now. Half a point away. So now the same story. We'll see if they're gonna hold up here, or they're gonna sell and show weakness, basically. That's what I want to see. It's the volume which we had. We push through that volume. That volume I've been talking about before. Let's push to 80, would be nice. ES is trying. 59. What was the highest mark? 59.75. Hasn't done it yet. Tick chart dropping below 0. So what? ES is not gonna do it. Is that all? 60. Wow. That's a big
Order
number.
filled.
That's a big number, 60. Okay.
Order filled.
Don't overstay your welcome. Because this will probably come back. Big selling. 59. Yeah, let's wait for that. Yes. 4760. 3.08. I'm not sure if they're gonna do it, but fuck. We might get a squeeze, like a final squeeze now. Through that 4760 till NQ 580. Could get that. Not cool, not cool. There's a pressure from the top. I don't think yes, it's gonna go up. And NQ has sold. NQ has sold. I think they're trying to load more shorts. Yeah. This is reversal. Fuck yeah. There you go. What now? Okay, nothing. Maybe it was just to pull some shorts to the downside, and now we're gonna squeeze. Yeah. Have some buying coming. 18 contracts at 60. 12 contracts at 60. 10. ES also bounced. We dropped to 52 on ES, and now we're trading 55. That's the problem. The ES is not taking the top. Basically didn't give me a signal to short. And that is true. That's not a short yet. We're still holding. So I have to stick to my process. Stick to my process. Patiently waiting. For ES to squeeze through 60. I might not get it. Okay. It's just I will come back when something happens. Okay. Something's happening. So yes, ES is trying one more time. 4760. Now they have a lot of shorts as well. A lot of shorts jumped on that move. They're gonna be closing. To be honest, I should be long up here. Really long. Because now we're gonna squeeze. Give me a little bit of pullback, I'm gonna go long. No, too late. Got the 60 on the S. I has to go through 60. $58. It's 413. Squeeze and then collapse. Okay. One more time. Tick chart is high. So around 600 right now. Now we can squeeze to 800. maybe even 1000. Can't take this 60. Really, really struggling with it 60. And we have 1 hour of shorts up here waiting to be triggered. Yeah. Twelve more seconds on this candle. Still nothing. Okay, we'll come back when something's gonna happen. See if they're gonna do it now. But this can lead into a proper push, because if we break that, this can actually be a... Now we have synchronized ES and then Q. There we go, 60-25. Let's see if we're gonna push through that. The moment we pushed for 60-25, the market completely dumped. 3 points down. Yeah. Very important. A very important level. And they didn't sell it because the market needs to push at least 3 ticks above ES level, and hasn't done it. It's just pulling right now. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm not gonna wait more. This is 4:18 London time. Usually I have to trade up to 4:30. It's max. My market didn't do what I was expecting to do. I don't believe in this drop. Yes, hasn't sold over 60. There you go. Fuck, they're going. That's why I was waiting to push for the 60, like 61, 62, and then dump it. And that would be a lovely trade, but yes, didn't do it. They didn't do it. And yes, it was only 1 tick higher. It's not enough. That's a poor high. Not ideal situation. If they pushed through that up here and then come back, that's the short. That's the beautiful short. But unfortunately, they have a different idea. It looks like they're gonna leave this level for later. So now it's gonna trade somewhere here for a while. And at the end of the day, we will push through. Huge level. That's gonna be a huge level for 760. Basically, everybody will be having short stop losses up here. Now we can get a beautiful push into close. This is how I see it. Yeah. Okay, ES is at the view up. Let's see, because we might take a long from here. Not really happy to do it yet because NQ hasn't touched view up. But see some buyers. Ten more points on NQ to the downside. There you go. It's bouncing already. Yeah, sometimes it's better to trade ES. So now when you look at that, ES has taken all the lugs from the bottom. Well, let's say they took they didn't take them completely, so they should go through them. But it's close enough. They took that volume now. And we try to build it up, and this is lunch soon. So NQ hasn't done that, right? If you look at NQ, they would need to go. I mean, it's enough if they went down here because that's the initiative move to the upside. But the view up is here. The red line in, 2 days ago low. So let's see if ES is gonna fall through that view up. Or they will protect that level. If they sold on ES, we would just collapse now because there will be no reason to hold this level. The only reason that they are holding this level is because they didn't sell up there on ES. They didn't sell up here. So what they will try to do is pull down maybe here, maybe even here, and start buying again. But there you go. We're taking the low. But I'm done. I'm not going to risk anything right now. This can just fucking go down. I can turn around. You have to know when to trade and when not to trade it. For me, 430 is a cutoff point. Market starts to do weird things after that 1 hour and a half, 2 hours mark since open. they start to do weird things. It's very unpredictable. Like in normal conditions, that would be a long. You would be buying that for a push up here. But I mean, yeah, this is first try, drop, and second try. But because there's lunch, they don't need to. They don't need to do it. So NQ did sell into this volume because we got up here, I think. Let's see, 70, that's the volume. The volume ends at 77, so let's see how far we went. Yeah, we went to 77, there you go. Yes. So NQ sold. ES hasn't. ES has got a poor high. Yeah, so ES has got a poor high. This is poor high because it's exactly the same. There's no access. The auction hasn't pushed through that level to see whether there's, we have buyers or sellers here. That's improper way of finishing auction. Meaning what that means is the market can trade now for 2-3 hours, and at 7 p.m. we'll start to go up, and we're going to push at the last hour through that, and we'll have a lot of shorts up here, plenty of them. Might even mark that. Plenty of shorts up here. They didn't close. I'm gonna have a lot of them up here in the market. We'll try to squeeze and then trigger all the short stoppages, and then we can go. The simplest way to do that is just measure the move like this. I don't know how deep we're gonna go down. Maybe we'll go down here. Maybe go down here, and they might target this high from Wednesday. Okay, tick chart is almost at 800, and Nasdaq is sitting on the view up. But I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to learn how to trade. Till Monday.